Okay, my dear students, so let us try to understand about the first disease in the list, that is malaria. Malaria is an epidemic. It has killed thousands and lakhs of people in our country in other countries as well. Malaria is caused by female Anopheles mosquitoes. These are the special kind of mosquitoes who spread malaria because they carry something, they carry a pathogen. Okay, when they take this pathogen from infected individuals, from infected animals or humans, and this parasite, the name of this parasite is plasmodium. This is nothing but a pathogen, okay, a microorganism which we can't see with our naked eye. So when female Anopheles mosquitoes, they take these pathogens into themselves, they carry this parasite plasmodium, and when they bite a healthy person, you know what will happen? This plasmodium will get entered to the blood of that healthy person, causing malaria. So this causes malaria. Now and the female Anopheles mosquitoes usually bite during night. They usually bite during night time. So it's better to get rid of them. It's better to get rid of any mosquitoes out there during night. Okay. The symptoms of malaria begin 8 to 25 days following infection. Yes. So a person who gets the infection of malaria, the symptoms कैसे समझ में आएगा कि वो infected है, is after 8 to 25 days of that infection. So after taking that plasmodium into the blood, after 8, that's approximately 1 week, or 25 days, close to a month, that person shows the symptoms. Now what are the symptoms? How can we understand, or how doctors understand that this person is suffering from malaria? Okay, so the common symptoms of malaria is fever. The common symptoms of malaria is, number 1 is fever. That person will have fever. Second is body pains. Okay, his body will ache. And third one is fatigue is tiredness. Okay, and the fourth one is headache. Definitely if his body is paining, so the head is the part of that body, etc. These are the common symptoms which when a person affected by malaria shows these common symptoms. Okay, now the fever is malaria follows a cyclic pattern. Now this fever, the first symptom, it follows a cyclic pattern. What happens? The patient has a high fever and sweating, and then suddenly coldness and shivering occurs for 2 days. So when the person starts to show these symptoms, he has high fever. So his fever is very high for a couple of days. Then after that, what happens? Sudden drop in temperature is observed in the patient. That is high fever and sweating. After high fever and sweating, then sudden coldness and shivering. Sudden coldness and shivering occur for 2 days. So after having high fever for a couple of days and sweating, that person has a sudden coldness and shivering for 2 days, and this cycle carries on. Again he has high fever, then again sudden coldness and shivering occurs for 2 days. So this fever is in cycle. Okay, so follows a cyclic pattern. We can prevent malaria, yes, but if a person is infected, he can recover by taking medicines. Hope you understood malaria. In the next video we are going to understand about dengue.